Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, let me show you my real trading account. As you can see, this is not a demo account. I'm trading with real money. Now let's get started with today's strategy. The first thing we're going to do is select the Bears Power Indicator. We have already selected our currency pair, and now we're going to place our first 15-minute buy trade. While this trade is running, let me explain how the Bears Power Indicator works. The Bears Power Indicator is a popular momentum indicator that helps traders measure the strength of sellers in the market. It compares the current price with an exponential moving average EMA to determine whether the bears are gaining or losing control. When the indicator starts rising from negative values, it often suggests that selling pressure is weakening and buyers may be taking control. If this signal is confirmed by the overall market trend and price action, can provide a high probability buy opportunity. On the other hand, when the indicator continues moving lower into negative territory, it shows that sellers remain strong, making sell opportunities more favorable. Remember, no indicator is 100% accurate. Always combine it with proper market analysis, confirmation, and risk management before entering any trade. If you've already joined our VIP Telegram channel, you'll know that we analyze multiple currency pairs. At the same time, our traders continuously monitor different markets and take trades only when high-quality setups appear. That's exactly the approach we're following here. Now you can see that our first 5-minute trade has closed in profit. Let's check the second trade. And as you can see, our second trade is also a win. Trading success doesn't come from using a single indicator. It comes from experience, discipline, patience, and proper risk management. If you also want to learn professional trading strategies, improve your trading skills, or receive free daily trading signals, make sure to join our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the video description.